Hello friends, welcome back to Epidagus Dumbbox. In last two videos we have seen demo of TalkBack application from ThinkSpeak server and we have used Arduino Mega board and Node MCU there. Okay, so in those application what basically we have done, we have stored some command strings on ThinkSpeak server and we have called those command strings using get API, and whatever response we get from the server, according to that we have controlled one device. So in that case we have controlled one LED. So means we have sent this API, then we got some response like LED on or LED off from the server, and as per that response we have controlled our LED. So apart from calling these commands from the server, we have multiple APIs available with us. Like you can see, this is post API, this is get API which we have already used. There are some more APIs like update. There are APIs available for updating talkback command, then executing next talkback command, then adding some more commands. So before implementing it on any board, we need to test whether these APIs are working properly or not. And for testing that those links, we don't need any kind of board or any device. We can try it and test it using just simple browser. So using this browser, you need to do one thing. You need to install one software. I'll show you. I'll give you the demo how you can do it. You have to search for advanced REST client. You can see this first link. It is Chrome application basically, and you have to install it. I have already installed it, so just click on launch application. Okay, so you can see, you'll see the window like this is that application. So to test that you need to do following things. So I'll show you demo using this put command. So this command is used to update talkback command. So you can see we have these two talkback commands, that is LED on and LED off. Okay, so I'll show you how we can update this. I'll change this LED off command to LED toggle using this command. So basically to do that, just copy this API, select put here, then paste it here. Okay, just remove this part, just don't remove it right now. You can see you have to put command ID here. So command ID is this. I'm going to change this. Remove this .json part also, and go to body, select this application slash x dash hyphen www hyphen form URL encoded. Okay, and now you have to write these things here, like whatever given here, API key, just copy paste here, and equal to means whatever is value for that, just copy this and paste it here. Don't keep it here, just clean it. Then what we need to update, we need to update command string. Okay, so right here command underscore string, everything in small, and whatever command you need to change it to, like right now it is LED off and we need to change it to LED toggle. So I'll put LED toggle. That's it. Once that is done, you have to click on send. You can see you have received this response 200 response code, that is okay, and it is set to LED toggle. Now go back to the page and refresh it once. You can see your API, using this API you have updated the command string. It is LED toggle now. There is one more way to do that using same application. Don't go to body, click on header, and whatever parameters we have provided here, instead of, just don't provide these parameters, you can put it in this URL only. Put question mark, then API key, then equal to, then whatever value, means you can provide this parameter in URL itself. Then this is value, then and then second parameter, copy, equal to, whatever is the value. Right now our value is it's already there on LED toggle, so I'll change it back to LED off. Okay, so put LED underscore off. Okay, LED off, fine. And click on header, remove all these things, and see whatever value and parameter we wanted to pass, we have passed everything in the URL. Okay, and click on send. See, it again worked. It is LED off. The response code is 200, that is okay, and it is set to LED off. Now again go back to the page and refresh it. See, your command string again got updated. So that's it guys, I just want to give a demo that how you can test these APIs using one application on your PC, and that's it. If you like this video, click on like. If you don't, click on dislike. If you have any doubt, put it in comment box, and if you want to watch some more videos like this, click on subscribe button. This is Akshay Daga signing off. Thank you.